In today's short tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can increase your Instagram account followers without paying a single penny or installing any third-party software, therefore without wasting any of your time. Let's jump to the video. First thing you need to do is to open Instagram. Click on the search icon. Click on the search bar. Now what you need to do is to type the name of a famous celebrity. I'll go with Cristiano Ronaldo. Follow him. And once you follow him, you will see some other suggestions as well. So from that list, also follow some famous accounts. And once you have followed like 10 to 15 famous accounts, you will notice that your Instagram followers will start to increase. You can do this on daily basis and gain like 10 to 20 followers daily. Okay guys, that's it for this video. And if you guys have any question regarding this video, then feel free to contact me on Instagram. I'll put the link somewhere in description below. Also, if you guys like the video, then please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. I'll keep a like aim of 50 likes on this video, so help me achieve that target too. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.